Creating a blueprint of your cancer tumor may sound far-fetched, but Dr. Michael Michat from Southern Cancer Center is here to discuss a new type of testing that's doing just that. Thank you, Dr. Michat, for being here. We appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, now explain this new type of testing, this tumor profiling.
Well, and patients have heard about it on advertisements, targeted therapy, precision therapy. All of it's the same thing, which is analyzing the actual genetics of the tumor, finding the cancer driver, and then altering that or controlling that so that the tumor can't grow.
Now that talks about what you're testing for, what you're looking. What type of sample do you need for this type of test?
Typically it's done with the same sample that's used to diagnose the cancer. So it can be a needle biopsy, it can be an endoscopic biopsy, it can be an open biopsy, but as long as you have a little bit of tumor tissue, you can analyze the genetics.
What types of tests are run on the sample?
Well, they do what's called next generation sequencing, which is the whole genome of the cancer. Before that, that takes 2 to 3 weeks. You can get molecular studies that give you an idea if they're readily treatable targets.
Now, how do these test results affect which type of treatment you choose for these patients?
Well, it varies from cancer to cancer and from patient to patient. If they have a very high PD-L1, you can use immunotherapy. If they have a particular genetic mutation, you can block that driver gene with targeted therapy. So we've got immunotherapy, we've got targeted therapy, and our old standby, which is chemotherapy, and we can mix and match.
And cancer treatment's come a long way, Dr. Michat, in your time.
It certainly has. From when I started, it's amazing.
All right, and we're going to continue this conversation because we're going to be on our Facebook page in just a moment to cover a lot more questions and to go a little bit deeper into this tumor profiling that you're doing.
I can hardly wait.
You can hardly wait. I know we've got a lot of questions for you and a lot to cover. So Dr. Michael Michat with Southern Cancer Center, thank you for joining us, and we hope you'll tune in to the Facebook session as well.